Good morning, everybody. This is Karen Martz. All right, guys. Christine and I are hiking at the Jones East Trailhead. It's on Snow Hill Road, and this is the Little Econ State Forest. Look how orange the water is, so it's got to have some type of iron in it. And this is Christine's first trek, if you will. I'm so proud of her. And of course, you know, I'm dragging everybody out here because it's so beautiful, and a lot of folks in Oviedo or surrounding areas, they've never even explored this beauty. All right, we're signing off live. Have a great day.